Super Trends TV.
Vandaag is...
Rijstafel.
Yeah,
Today is Rijstafel.
It's rice table. It's Indonesian food, a specialty in the Netherlands. Shall we try it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Mihun, chicken liver with pate bone, babi pangbang, babi ketchup, ayam chicken in a mild sauce, rendang, which is beef, achar, which is cucumber, obviously, dried tempeh, chicken satay, peanut sauce,
In the satay sauce.
and a chicken risoles. It's like a dough with chicken ragu in the middle.
And then this?
Is udang with tempeh or tahu.
Don't
So
forget
there
that
is
And the shrimp in there.
Don't forget that
And tofu.
That's new. I have not tried that one yet. And then
Dessert is spekkoek, which is just layers of sugar and pancakes. And fried banana.
oh, lekkerator. Okay, today's challenge is who can actually empty their plate. Is that a good one? I think it might be tough because so far there's some vegetables. Dum dum dum.
I think I'm gonna eat the tomato a little.
I think that'd be very good because it's not a tomato.
What?
It's a sweet pepper.
What?
Some of these are a little bit spicy, so keep your water at hand.
All fine.
This one is optional. Pindakaas. That tastes optional. Do you want it or not?
Pilikas.
Peanut sauce.
Guys,
He's gonna
yes?
eat it all then.
It's lekker. It's really good.
It's an option if you want it.
Okay, everyone. This is what's on the plates. It's the same amount each. Let's see who can empty their plate into their stomach.
Before we start, whoever makes their plate actually empty wins.
Yep. Okay.
So far, I only got 2 points.
Are you guys hungry?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
I don't know.
It's not a race.
Not a race.
What do you think?
Oh, very good.
Is that good?
Cucumber.
That's a good cucumber?
Nah.
Whenever Tice is humming, he's enjoying his meal.
Blah, 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 blah.
Take a bite. No, take a bite, please. Go, take a bite. Take a bite. That's the noodles. That everybody likes noodles. Okay, have another.
Yeah. No.
No, this is sweet sauce.
Not even
It's soy sauce. That's
Not
sweet
even
sauce. Your point to lose.
Vegetables. How is it so far, Beth?
Good.
Yeah. Nice. You're slowing down there. I think Raptors might get there.
Huh? Yes, the sun's in my eye.
Oh no, your mouth. What? What? I think he thinks it's a little spicy.
Grupo break.
These are like shrimp flavored chips. Puffed chips, right? Sorry for the sun, Tice. Okay, here comes the tofu cam. Open up, open up. Oh, it's the tofu camera. He's a tofu monster.
Like, I'm going to spit it out. I'm going to spit it out.
You have to chew, you know.
Tofu you don't really have.
And then say you're giving up.
Giving up.
He's not going to get a point. He did not want to finish his meat. Why not?
I'm full.
You're full? I guess that's a legitimate reason. Nice. Look up at the camera. Did you finish? I think you get a point. Yay! Is your mouth full now?
Yeah.
Tice gets a point. Tice gets a point. Tice gets a point. Yay! Yay!